Girl, you are beautiful. She doesn't think she's beautiful. She doesn't think she's worth something to anyone. She thinks she should just drop dead because she doesn't think that she's gorgeous. She's trapped somewhere between the pages behind the scenes of 17 magazines, exploited photo shoots of preteens, Victoria's Secret top model ideals, and TV shows about how the less she eats, the closer she'll come to having the perfect figure. But it figures. She never had a mother's love or a strong father figure, so she goes through life broken, brushed aside by 1,000 words, trying to paint the perfect picture. She has no focus. Trying to get that picture still, she is bombarded by blurred lines, robbed in the thick of things. She hides behind a collage of makeup to make up what she believes is beauty. But no matter how much MAC she puts down, she can conceal the depths of her insecurities. She looks in the mirror with a downward sullen gaze and asks, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?" The mirror is a broken Instagram of divine opinion. It doesn't apply a filter to images that it bears. It speaks the truth of what is underneath to the underneath. It says, you are, but you don't love yourself. You're trying to look like someone else. You are a tree dried from inside, a beach at low tide, so hollow and so shallow. She hears this and is appalled, ashamed and confused, so she flees in a frantic panic, as if it was a practiced habit. She wildly searches for love, hoping to find an anchor for security so she can feel better. But feelings of self-hatred are like a cancer, find a cure later, and it never gets better.